So hello students, now in this data interpretation we have the percentage of a magazine readers in 2019 and 2023 of 6 different cities, and on this basis the questions asked. Okay, so if you do the rough work it will look like this. Most of the time you may not get the exact numbers, so you can try it on the estimations. For example, in the city D in 2019, the readers percentage given is 10%. Estimation you can take, it is given 9, but we will take 10 percentage for estimation. So 10% equals to 77,000 for estimation if we can take. So 77,000. So if you try to take it on 100%, it will be 7,70,000 in 2019 on complete cities. So like this, in part wise method you can try to solve the data interpretation. So I'm not going to explain you in detail, but I want to tell only one thing, that if you are not able to solve exactly, then go ahead and just leave the question, okay, because it may take so much of time if you try to get the numbers exact value. Okay, so if you don't know exactly, then leave it. Okay, so the correct answer is 27,200 for this question, in which it is asked the difference of number between 2019 and 23 in city F. Okay, so try to read the question. If you want, you can stop the video and read it. Okay, so next questions you can see and read. If you want, just stop the video. Okay, so I ticked it here like this, and 4 and 5 questions were pending, so I did not did anything for this one. Okay, and next we have matchings. Shodh Sindhu. Okay, Shodh Sindhu, it is provides access to e-resource to universities and colleges. Okay, so now you can ask the question that what is Shodh Ganga then. Shodh Ganga is different because it gives the final result, like after publishing a research book, it get the place in Shodh Ganga, okay, where everyone can access it. But Shodh Sindhu can be accessed by universities and colleges, Shodh Sindhu, but Shodh Ganga can be accessed by anyone. Okay, Shodh Gangotri, it is related to synopsis of research topics in Indian universities. Shodh Shuddhi, Shuddhi means filtration. Okay, in it name itself it is there that it filters the detail or check the details. So plagiarism checking initiative aim to ensure originality. It is Shodh Shuddhi. FOSEE, it was the new topic, or it somehow I didn't know about it before, but it is related to IIT Bombay, and it is based on free open source software for education. Okay, it works under Ministry of Education, but it is functioned by IIT Bombay. So IIT Bombay functions it. That's how we can understand. Okay, so the correct answer is this one, second option. Okay, like that only. And next we have another question, that speed of a boat in still water is 5 km per hour. Okay, so we can take 5 km per hour. Okay, 1 hour. and the speed of stream is 1 kilometer per hour. Okay, so we have water stream and we have a boat. Okay, so just try to draw this type of questions so you may have the idea what you are doing. Okay, and we have the speed of 5 kilometer per hour and another 1 kilometer per hour speed is we have of stream, so we have 6 kilometer per hour. Okay, so a man rose to a place at distance of 24 kilometers. Okay, so a man, someone, okay, he rows the boat to a place which is 24 kilometers away. Okay, and comes back to the starting point. Find the total time taken by him. So if he try to go in this speed 6 kilometer per hour, okay, so try to divide 6 with 24. Okay, so it will take him 4 hours. Okay, so it will take 4 hours for him to reach 24 kilometers. Okay, and when he will try to come back, okay, so he have to return with same distance only. Okay, so one side 24 kilometers and another returning side 24 kilometers with this speed, 4 hours one side and 4 hours for return. So okay, so 8 hours. Okay, so this type of questions you can solve even if you don't know in detail mathematics also, if you can just apply the logic. Okay, so these questions are better than data interpretation. Okay, but you have to practice it. Just try to draw the pictures, then you will have the clarity. Okay, so another logic question, and it was also pending. I was not able to get the answer, so I'm just leaving it. So which of the following is first post independence education commission in India? One thing in paper 1 is that you should be very clear when you are reading the question. Okay, so it is asked the first post independence education commission. Okay, first commission after we got the independence. You should remember that what is asked in the question. Okay, so if you see, Indian Education Commission was on 1964 by Kothari. So he was the chairman. Calcutta University Commission 1917, University Education Commission 1948, Indian University Commission 1902. So here for confusion they gave 1964 Education Commission also, so that you may got confused if you don't read this point. Okay, so first commission after independence was 1948 University Education Commission, to which uh, so it was led by Radhakrishnan. Okay, so that's how it works. Okay, so this type of questions are there. Then we have knowing that you find algebra more difficult. Okay, just for example I'm telling you, so just make it a picture, okay, so that you will get the clarity. Okay, me, okay, you find algebra more difficult. Okay, so I find algebra more difficult than your sister does. Okay, so you think that your sister is able to do algebra, but it is difficult for you. Okay, so here we have sister and this is you, but that you could improve with practice is an example. So you think that by practicing you can improve your abilities, you think like that. Okay, so you think that by practicing more you can improve it. So what is this thoughts, or what is this type of thinking is related to? Self-regulation, metacognition, self-discipline, automation. Self-regulation is different. Okay, so you regulate yourself from doing anything wrong. It is self-regulation. Self-discipline is also similar. Metacognition and automation, two options are similar, but metacognition is different. It is to solve new problems, okay, or learn new things by failures. Okay, it is metacognition. It works like this. It is metacognition cycle. First you analysis the things, or just see what it is. Okay, you do nothing, just see it. Then you evaluate that how can you will do it or not. Then you make a plan to do the things, then you apply it, and you so it is just like first you do the work and evaluate your work. If you have any ideas, then you plan it and then apply it, and if you get failures, or if it is not working properly, then you reflect or change it. Okay, so once you reflect it, I mean once you apply and once you work on it, then again you analysis the drawbacks, and again you evaluate your strength and weakness, again plan it correctly, again apply with corrections, again you do the work, again you analysis it. So it is metacognition, in which you try to improve it from the failures or setbacks. But automation is different. It is the practice with it is learning something by practice with no conscious effort. Here you have the conscious effort where you are evaluating what you have done, but here no conscious effort. Just by practicing it you try to be the best. For example, you can take it learning cycle. Okay, so you practice it, and without any conscious effort you learn it. Okay, so it is called automation. Okay, so knowing that you find algebra more difficult than your sister does, but that you could improve with practice. Okay, with practice, so it is automation. Okay, mind-to-mind communication involves the communication of meaning through physical setting, shared beliefs, values, these are the, and context. Okay, so mind to mind communication involves it. Okay, so it is related like that. Okay, so physical settings also are one of the reason to mind communication, shared beliefs, values. Okay, so these are like that, and so this is the correct answer for it. And thank you, and we will meet in the next class.